Welcome to our channel. Today, to get started with WhatsApp Business on your iPhone, first, download the WhatsApp Business app from the App Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your iPhone. You will be greeted with a welcome. After agreeing, verify your phone number by entering the number you want to use for your business. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the verification code in the app to proceed. Next, set up your business profile by adding your business name. Choose a category that best describes your business. You can also add a profile picture to represent your business visually. Make sure to fill out the business description to inform customers about your services. Once your profile is set, navigate to the settings by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner. From here, select the Business Tools option. You will find features such as Quick Replies. Quick replies allow you to create pre-written messages that can be sent quickly to customers. Another useful feature is labels, which help you organize your chats according to different categories. To set these up, return to the Business Tools menu and tap on Labels. Create labels that suit your business needs. You can then apply these labels to individual chats. Additionally, explore the Away Message feature. This allows you to inform customers when you are not available to respond. You can customize the message and set specific times for it to be automatically sent. Make sure to also explore Greeting Messages. This function lets you welcome new customers when they first contact you. Customize the message in the Business Tools settings. Keep your responses professional and prompt to enhance customer interaction. Utilize the catalog feature to showcase your products or services effectively. To create a catalog, go back to the Business Tools menu and select Catalog. Upload images, descriptions, and prices for each item. You can also share your catalog link with customers directly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.